Hi there, my name is Sayed. In this video, we will discuss do Agile make a difference in projects? So Agile is a new methodology where project implemented and differently compared to other methodology, and we will cover those points later on this video. So let's get started. So how Agile is different? So is this another way of fancy way of entertaining higher management? What do I mean by that is, for example, when we implement something new and we say that is going to make a difference, does this really going to make an impact for the business? Is it increasing the productivity, or maybe either agile methodology we can say it is very good, but what is the real goal of here, that are we are taking bad ideas and using agile methodology to implement it? So in this way we can say that we can also have some bad results based on bad decisions, based on the company management or higher management, where they are deciding that they are implementing this software, or software companies are coming in there, so they're saying that okay, we have this software and it is coming with agile, it must be good. So it is like a fallacy that where they're including this methodology to selling their product. So and then the management is buying it because of it is agile. So that we need to consider this point with agile. That is, agile is good, but what is the end result of it? Or if we are getting buying some new software based on agile, does it make a difference or not for the business productivity and how it is affecting? So let's say how agile different from waterfall SDLC. Okay, so we know that it is for the speed of implementation, it is faster. If it is, we know that it is make a difference in the project with the different cycles. So does this make a difference? So the issue is with this is when we have some project and we found out about issues in cycles, does it mean that in other methodologies we are not finding those issues? So it could be that in other methodology that the issues are coming up and there is no issue management log out there. There is no control on to the issues. They're just doing it to just complete the project, and when the issues comes, it's not handled properly, or if anybody brings issues, they are not encouraged to do that. So that make a lot of difference in other methodologies. So it's not necessarily completely that we can say other methodologies are very not effective. They are effective in a sense if they are implemented in a correct way. So if when we use agile, we are saying that we are making it different with more issues are coming up because of the users are giving feedback. So so on that point, feedback become very essential, and the business users feedback is not taken in until the end of the project. That is the lacking in many projects. So if we include this with other methodologies other than agile, that make a difference. So let's see how agile make a difference. So let's see, we have cycle 1, cycle 2, cycle 3, cycle 4, 5, 6. So it could be less cycles or more cycles. And what happened in one cycle is when we start one portion of a project, or one portion of application, that we are going to make this functional, and we're going to work on this in the short period of time, and in this cycle we will do this implementation, and we'll find some errors and issues, then we'll go to next cycle, third cycle, and we will keep handling those issues in other cycles, and the last cycle we should be completing the task. So it's like a divide and rule kind of approach, but still this methodology is good. But if we are taking wrong approach and we are not taking the business productivity, and then if the higher management is just having their own ideas of implementing and not taking feedback from the teams or business, or what is the right thing to do, and not considering productivity, and so that make a lot of difference. Project will be implemented, but it will be having a lot of issues, and organization change management will be issue, and system wise there will be a lot of tickets and so on and so forth. So what is the goal of a project? So for example, as I mentioned that if the goal is driven from IT team, or if it is driven from the business value or improvement, does this really that business is initiated this, or does it handled by IT team? So that is issue between these two areas where IT team tell business what to do, and business tell IT that we need this and the requirements. So that is a area where a lot of issues happen when IT start to think that they're gonna give their feedback onto the business and tell them, okay, that's how you use it. So that make a difference for the business, and that might hurt the productivity and cause a lot of issues in that. So I have seen many in many projects, and that is a very area that I think is very valuable for the business to consider, that what features they need to discuss with the IT team, and how they can adopt this. And IT management teams many times fails to understand this, what business requirements are, and how they're going to implement this and not affecting the productivity. So based on this, I have seen this many times. So what I have come up with, I have written some books in SAP area, where I have designed some end user training books where the end user can use them, and they're available on Amazon. Links will be available in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in description below. Please feel free to check out my website and my books on Amazon. Link will be available in the description below. Thank you very much.